A very good morning class 2. Welcome to your English language class. And today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson 11, ly words. Ly words. These words are also known as adverbs. Okay? Ly words are also known as adverbs. Adverbs are the words that tells us about the verbs. Adverbs are those words that tells us about the action words. Okay, so first of all, open your books to page number 34, and on the top of the page there are read these sentences. How did Gagan talk? He talked loudly. In this sentence, talked is an action word. It is a verb. And how is he talking? He is talking loudly. So loudly is a ly word. It is an adverb. This is the verb in this sentence and this is a adverb. जिसमें कोई एक्शन हो रहा होता है वो वर्ड होता है एक्शन वर्ड वर्ब, और जो उसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा होता है दैट वर्ड इज ly वर्ड, दैट इज adverb. Okay, next is how did Gagan walk? He walked quickly. Here walked is a verb. And how is he walking? He is walking quickly. So quickly is a ly word. It is an adverb. Quickly, the word quickly tells us about the how is he walking. So this is a ly word and this is an adverb. How does Gagan drink milk? He drinks milk carefully. In this sentence, drinks is a verb, and how is he drinking the milk? He is drinking the milk carefully. So this is a ly word and this is an adverb. How did Gagan write? He wrote neatly. In this sentence, wrote is a verb and the word describing the verb is neatly. That is ly word and it is an adverb. So in these sentences, the bold words like loudly, quickly, carefully and neatly, these are the ly words and these are the adverbs. Loudly, quickly, carefully and neatly tell us how actions are done. ये वर्ड्स हमें बता रहे हैं कि जो भी एक्शन हो रहे हैं लाइक टॉकिंग, वॉकिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, राइटिंग, ये एक्शंस कैसे हो रहे हैं, इन एक्शंस को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं ये वर्ड्स. ठीक है, दीज वर्ड्स टेल्स अस मोर अबाउट एक्शन वर्ड्स. ये वर्ड जो है हमें किसके बारे में बता रहे हैं? एक्शन वर्ड्स के बारे में बता रहे हैं. वी एड ly टू डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स टू गेट दीज वर्ड्स. हम डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स में क्या ऐड करते हैं? ly. जब हम किसी भी डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड में ly ऐड कर देते हैं तो हमें एडवर्ब्स मिलते हैं. ओके, व्हेन अ वर्ड एंड्स इन y वी चेंज द y टू I एंड देन ऐड ly. और अगर कोई वर्ड y से एंड हो रहा है देन वी रिमूव y एंड ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ y वी ऐड ILY. ओके, उस y की जगह हम I लगा देते हैं, देन उसके अंदर ly हम ऐड करते हैं. सो I hope you all have understood that what are adverbs, what are ly words. Ly words are those words that describes the action words or verbs. Okay, so class 2, come to exercise A given on page number 34. Write the ly forms of the words. In this there are the words given, we have to write their ly forms. Okay, number 1 is lazy. Here lazy is ending with y, so we remove y and add ILY. Lazy, lazily, LAZILY. Lazy, lazily. Number 2 is sweet. We add ly to the sweet, it becomes sweetly. SWEETLY. Sweetly, sweet, sweetly. Number 3 is nice. We add ly to nice, it becomes nicely. Nice, nicely. 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 Nice, nicely. Number 4, playful. Playful, playfully. PLAYFULLY. Playful, playfully. Number 5, easy. In this word easy, it is also ending with y, so we will remove the y and add ILY. Easy, easily. 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 Easy, easily. Quite, quite, quietly. Quitly. Quite, quietly. Number 7 is slow. Add ly to slow, it becomes slowly. 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 Next one is number 8. Complete. Completely. complete. Complete and completely. completly. Completely. Complete. Completely. Number 1 is lazily. Number 2 sweetly. Number 3 nicely. Number 4 playfully. Number 5 easily. Number 6 quietly. Number 7 slowly. And number 8 is completely. Now come to the next one. Look at the describing words in bold. Complete these sentences with the correct ly words. In these sentences there are describing words given in the bold letters. We have to complete the sentences with the correct ly forms of these words. Okay. So number 1 is mother is angry. She speaks to us dash. Mother is angry. So the ly form of angry is angrily. angry. Angrily. Mother is angry. She speaks to us angrily. Number 2, Sana is happy. She shouts happily. 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 Sana is happy. She shouts happily. Number 3, the children are careful. They cross the road dash. The children are careful. And the ly form of careful is carefully. 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 The children are careful. They cross the road carefully. Okay. So number 1 is angrily. Number 2 happily. And number 3 is carefully. Now come to the next page. That is page number 35. Number 4. Garg is a wonderful piano player. He plays the piano dash. ly form of wonderful is wonderfully. 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 Garg is a wonderful piano player. He plays the piano wonderfully. Number 5. The kitten is hungry. It eats the rice hungrily. The kitten is hungry and the ly form of hungry is hungrily. 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 The kitten is hungry. It eats the rice hungrily. Number 6. Cindy is very neat. She folds the sheets neatly. ly form of neat is neatly. 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 Cindy is very neat. She folds the sheets neatly. Number 4th answer is wonderfully. Number 5 hungrily. And number 6 is neatly. So class 2, today you all have to do these 2 exercises, that is exercise A and exercise B in your English language books. In the next class we will do the remaining exercises of this chapter. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.